How to turn off two-factor authentication in Facebook without a code. So let's begin. First, you need to open your Facebook application. After opening the application, you will see these three lines, which you see in the top right corner. You need to click on them, then scroll down from here and go to Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings, and as soon as you click on Settings, you need to click on the Account Center option. Then from here, click on Password and Security, and after that, click on the second option, which is two-factor authentication. Then select your Facebook profile from here, and here you need to enter your Facebook password. As soon as you enter it here, after that you will see the options for two-factor authentication. The option to turn off two-factor authentication will appear here. So by using that, you can effectively turn off your two-factor authenticator. That was today's video. I sincerely hope you liked it. If you did, please do like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.